Alright guys, so it looks like Chloe, the side-eyed Chloe meme is on the verge of possibly doing something really amazing. And right now, we are seeing a bounce from this level over here. Reason why, because if we look to our left guys, it looks like this could be extremely bullish because we made this move to the upside. We bounced in this range before ultimately coming back down into this level here, thanks to Bitcoin and the rest of the market crashing a little bit. However, as we can see, there's nothing but red candles over here, which gives me a stronger confidence that we should be able to quite easily reach back up into this level. And once we get to here guys, guess what? We should see a beautiful move to the upside guys. Yes, just like this on a 4-hourly chart. So guys, welcome back to Taxscout for another video. Now on a larger time frame, because we were just on an hourly chart, we're now on a 4-hour chart. And guys, this is quite an insane move because we were going sideways for the longest. We finally pumped, we came back down, we haven't capitulated back down into this level. So that's one good news. Secondly, whereas the rest of the market is going down, it looks like Chloe is still continuing to push to the upside. Guys, this is an amazing move right now because right now Chloe is disregarding the market condition, which means that there's huge demand coming in for Chloe side-eye token. And guys, we are not too far off from the last highs over here. In fact, if I pull out the measuring tool from here to there, it's about 104% move to the upside. I have already entered in 3 different spots. Here's the first area that I've entered for my first trade, it's here for my second trade, and it's here for my third trade. Now I've entered these two here on a smaller time frame because if you go back to the hourly chart, you can see the reason why I've done that, because we've gone up, we came back down, we created like a support level here. So I've entered here for the move for continuation to the upside, or at least up until that blue line, which is the resistance. Instead, we then pull back, which is absolutely fine because I've made the moves. I played a trade here and there. Them two didn't quite work out, which is fine because remember, guys, with Chloe, I'm actually just hodling, but I'm adding multiple positions so I can actually increase my bag of Chloe meme token. And yes, now it looks like from here that we are on a verge to clear back up here, which means that it should put me on 3 positions in a green, and then once we blast from here to reach up there, that'll be something humongous. Moves will be coming in once we do break that line. So currently it looks like from this trade here up to that blue line, that is at 240%, which is not too shabby. And then if we look at my second trade, if my target is at that same level from here to there, that'd be at 124, which is pretty cool. And then finally, if we look at my last trade, which is this one here, there to the top of that, or at least to that blue line up there, that's 82%. So that means all in total, I should be profiting at 446% between all these 3 trades to reach my target at 0.0002 for the short term. This is sometimes a powerful tool when you keep on adding to your position, when you see like a positive price action coming in for a particular crypto, whether it is meme coin or in any other cryptocurrency. The good thing about meme coins in general, it is very volatile, which is also a con. So if you don't know what you're doing, guys, you can seriously trap yourself in positions where you have to hold for a certain extended period of time in order for you to see at least break evens, or even just into profits. So that's why you got to make sure that you do time when to get in. If you are just looking to hold for the future, then it doesn't really matter how how you enter or the price entry where you're looking to get in, because ultimately your goal is to essentially just build as much of the meme tokens as you can, or at any particular project that you're into. because you're looking for that long-term price actions, whereas if you're looking for short-term price actions, there's a couple of things that you need to do as part of your due diligence. But speaking of which, let me do mine. This is not financial advice, so let me just put that out. This is just something that I've been doing for a very long time, which I'd love to share with you all. Maybe this could be, a good educational tool for you all to understand, how you can actually capitalize, in creating some passive income for yourself by using such strategies, which nicely takes me over to my Patreon. Right guys, so over to my Patreon, I do have a 3-tiered membership for you over here. This is my most popular one with the Total Crypto Trading 23 coach. This is pretty decent guys, because okay, I know I'm the one who created, but still this is still pretty decent, especially if you don't know how to structure your trade, don't know exactly what you're doing, but you just want to try to make some regular small passive income from trading. I can give you the most basic, easiest way of being able to do that on a day-to-day basis, or even should we say on a chart setup basis, because at the end of the day you want to try to make sure that you get as much wins than losses. But first of all, you need to make sure that structurally the chart is looking decent, something similar to this. Secondly, once we see the breakup levels, that would be a beautiful entry level to get into any given chart, regardless whether it's meme coins, your top 50 coins, Bitcoin, etc. You see here guys, this is a breakup structure, which means you can easily enter from there. So with a view of us going back up into at least this higher level right up here. All this can be taught within my most popular membership tier, which is called the Total Crypto 23 Trading Coach at £17 if you're from the UK, or if you're from around the world such as the United States, that is $20, and depending where you are around the world, you can convert it into your currency. So guys, this is a pretty decent program guys, if you like to learn how to trade simply and also be able to learn how to enter and to make most from your profit, from big, small to medium account. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to teach you how to do all this on a demo account, so that way it will give you a stronger confidence to be able to execute your trade. So one day you will become as profitable, maybe even more so. So guys, head over to my Patreon if you are looking to learn how to trade, and all you need is basically a Google Meet app which we can use to interact with each other. We're going to have a full-blown 1 hour session with me on a month-to-month basis, so monthly should I say, and secondly thereafter we'll be able to interact via the Patreon and also via the emails to see how you're cracking on with your trades. And before you get into your trades or looking to execute, you can also discuss that with me if you wish, so I can also coach you into that too. It doesn't regard me as your mentorship via the social medias, in order for us to quickly get you into a great position before the coming bull season. So I hope this makes sense to you all. So that means just head over to my Patreon so you can see all that information for yourself. Otherwise, if you'd like to take a crack at either my 2 other tiers membership, please go ahead and do so. But there will be a 4th tier coming up soon, and in this 4th tier will be a simple trade calls for anyone who is looking just to get some trade calls, to know when to enter, when to exit, or when to go short, depending on if you're on a platform that allows you to be able to go buy long and short their charts. So guys, check out the Patreon next few days. In fact, by later today I will have the 4th tier membership available if you're simply just looking for trade call. So we can do that on the Telegram group chat, but I might have one other platform which I may consider using. But either way guys, keep an eye on my Patreon. If you're interested simply on my trade calls, that will be the 4th tier membership, which will be out today. If you actually like to learn how to trade, this would be ideal, because the information you gain from this and your learning experience, it could really give you the knowledge on how to be able to trade and make your own money for many years to come ahead. Rather than you looking for trade calls, you could be in fact executing trades for yourself. But anyway guys, Those will be the options for you available for you from today. If you're looking to get in now, guys, you can get into that £17 per month or $20 per month if you are from the States. I will leave it here because I'm digressing. Let's get back into Chloe. Alright guys, I know it's a little bit long-winded with my details on the Patreon, but ultimately it is a good way for me to actually teach you guys on how to make this sort of trades, because at the end of the day, all traders are not always 100% right. We only try to increase our probability to be able to make some decent gains. And guys, I'm showing you exactly what I'm doing right now as well, because I've been doing this for a long while within my crypto journey, and I have made some pretty decent gains over the last bull season. I'm hoping to do much more better now thanks to my experience from the past, so that always adds more value, I believe, towards my content. And also I can teach you and instill some of these useful methods. But anyway, I'm going to leave it here, guys. Before I go any further, if you do find my channel useful and informative, do me a favor, guys, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification to be updated with all my latest content. If you'd like to learn how to trade like this, head over to my Patreon. If not, do me a favor, just subscribe to me right over here so you can at least be updated with all of my latest contents and how to trade certain setups. And if you haven't checked out my last two videos here and there, go check them out, and I'll see you all in the next one.